Hello, this is Dawn from Thai Landscaping. This customer would like a little more privacy and separation from their neighbor. We're going to extend the landscape bed and install large skip laurels as a living fence. Cherry laurels are hardy in sun and shade. They're low maintenance and deer resistant. We're also installing a few small skip laurels to fill in some bare spots in the existing screen. So give us a call if you would like us to update your landscape. We would love to help you, and thanks for watching.